Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at an SAT math question. The question says as follows. If ax minus b equals c minus dx, what is the value of x in terms of a, b, c, d? Alright, so let's write that down. We have ax minus b is equal to c minus dx. So let's combine all the terms with x. So we'll bring this term to the other side. Ax minus plus d times x. And then we'll bring this term to the other side. That will give us b plus c. Then we can factor the x. And then we can divide by this quantity both sides. So we have x equals to b plus c divided by a plus d. So this is the answer. Alright, thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.